In this video, we're going to talk a bit about the calculator application menu. The TI-nSpire uses drop-down menus just like on a computer, and the calculator menu has a variety of built-in tools. And we're going to explore a few of them now, which will give you a feel for the types of things you can do on your calculator. When something comes up in the future, you'll be able to look around and find it. So first, let's try to find the least common multiple of 24 and 28. So we're on a calculator page. So I'm going to go ahead and click menu and see what I can find. So I'm going to push menu, and this has something to do with numbers. So I want to find the least common multiple. I'm going to look in the number menu, and here I can see the least common multiple. And I want the least common multiple between 24 and 28. So I'm going to type 24, comma, the comma key is down here beneath the pi key, 28. And then I'm going to hit enter. And we see the least common multiple is 168. Next, we want to try to evaluate 10 factorial. 10 factorial is 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6, etc., down to 1. So I'm going to go ahead and type 10, and now I need to make it calculate 10 factorial. So if I hit menu, factorial is often used with probability. So I'm going to look at the probability menu, and here I see there is a factorial operation. So 10 factorial, and I can hit enter. Some of you may notice that there's also another way to get the exclamation mark, which would be factorial, and that's on this little key here down at the right. And here I can say we also have factorial operation. Let's try to solve a linear system. So I'm going to hit menu, and that I'm going to look in the algebra menu. And now I'm going to solve a system of linear equations. The one that we're going to try to solve is just a system of two linear equations in x and y. So this prompts me for the number of equations. I'm going to put 2. The variables are x and y. I'm going to say OK. And now I'm going to type in my two equations. So the system I want to solve is 2x plus 3y equals 4 and y equals 6x. So I'm going to enter that 2 times x, 2x plus 3 times y, and then I'm going to say that's equal to, the equal key is here, equal to 4, and then I'm going to enter something in this box for the second equation. I'm going to write y equals 6x, so 6 times x. I'm explicitly typing the multiplication in this setting. I don't think I need to. And then it's going to solve for x and y. So if we go ahead and hit enter, we get the ordered pair 1/5, 6/5. If you're ever exploring a new command and you don't know the syntax, you can always hit the catalog key, which is this book, and then I can go ahead and right now we're in the template. But if I click on the book, this is where I really want to be for the catalog key. I can find some command syntax. I can type the letter of, the first letter of the command. So let's say we want the least common multiple. So I can type L, that'll jump to that area of the index. And now I can see least common multiple. And down here, it tells me I can find the least common multiple of number 1, comma, number 2.